Hello dear students, I am Miss Swagatika. Today we'll learn Standard 10 Geography, cash crops, cotton and jute. What do you mean by cash crop? Crops those are grown for export purpose known as cash crop. Cotton. It is a cash crop and fiber crop that supplies raw materials to the textile industry in India and it ranks second to the USA and fourth in the world production of cotton. Climatic conditions. It is a tropical kharif crop which means sown in summer and harvested in winter in India, which needs temperature 21 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius and rainfall amount 50 to 75 cm and a long growing period of at least 200 frost-free days needed for cotton cultivation. Cotton, it is a tropical kharif crops which need 21 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius temperature, rainfall 50 cm to 75 cm and it needs 200 frost-free days. Soil. The deep and medium black soils of the Deccan Plateau and Malabar Plateau and Gujarat are considered ideal for cotton cultivation. Methods of cultivation. Some tillage. Tillage means loosening up soil for better aeration and passage of better moisture. Though some tillage and manuring is essential before the crop is sown. The seeds are sown by broadcasting method or by drilling method. What in by broadcasting method? Scattering of seed over the agricultural land by hand is known as broadcasting method. Drilling means sowing of seeds in a regular interval between furrow made by plough is known as drilling. Harvest. The crop is harvested in October month when the cotton balls ripen and burst into white floppy and shiny balls of fiber. Processing. After harvesting, the cotton crop passes through the following processes. What are the different processes? First one given here, ginning. The process used to separate the fiber or lint from the seeds and the short fiber or linters. Separation of lint from linters or separation of seeds from the fiber is known as ginning. The cotton first goes through the dryers to reduce the moisture content and then through the cleaning equipments to remove the foreign matter. After ginning, the dryers are used to reduce the moisture. The lint is removed from the saw teeth by rotating brushes and then compressed into bales. The weight of the one bale is how much? 218 kg. The lint fiber are washed and then combed to form a rope-like mass of fiber known as sliver. Slivers are the what? Rope-like mass of fibers. The sliver is fed to the spindles and spun to make the what? Cotton yarn. What do you mean by cotton yarn? Cotton thread. The slivers is fed to the spindles and spun to make the cotton yarn or cotton thread. The seeds are crushed to yield oil, the residue being used for the cattle fodder known as oil cake. The seed is useful for the what? Extraction of the what? Oil. After the extraction of oil, the remaining part or residual part acts as a cattle food. That is known as fodder. Varieties of cotton. On the basis of length, strength and structure of the fiber, 5 main varieties of cottons are mentioned here. The first one, superior long staple cotton. Staple means the length of the fiber. The staple is longer than 27 millimeter. That is superior long staple cotton. Long staple cotton, the length of staple is between 24.5 and 26 millimeter. That is long staple cotton length is 24.5 to 26 millimeter. The next one, superior medium staple cotton. The cotton staple is between 20 and 24 millimeter. Then medium staple cotton, its staple is 20 to 21.5 millimeter long. Short staple cotton, its staple length is smaller than 19 millimeter. First one, superior long staple length is 27 millimeter. Long staple 24.5 and between 24.5 and 26 millimeter. Superior medium staple is between 20 and 24 millimeter. Medium staple is 20 to 21.5 millimeter long, and short staple, the staple length is smaller than 19 millimeter. Now we'll learn about the distribution, means the area and the states where we'll find out the cotton cultivations going on. Northwestern Deccan or the on the fertile black cotton soils, the central and southern Deccan of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, and in the upper Ganga Valley where the cotton is grown with the irrigation. This map shows the what cotton and jute cultivated area. These are the cotton cultivated area. Central part of India, the presence of black soil suitable for the cotton cultivation, central and western part of India. But Punjab, Haryana, this northern part of India, cotton cultivation is going on with the help of irrigation, modern technology, etc. Now, leading state Maharashtra, Gujarat, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka are the leading state. Except these states, what are the other state cotton is cultivated? Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, etc. Related to the cotton portion, what type of question you will well prepare? The climate condition, what are the climate conditions needed for the cotton cultivation, and geographical condition needed for the cotton cultivation. What are the various process? Define the following terms. Gaining, what in by sliver, what are define these terms. Then mention the word varieties of cotton, major distribution area, and the leading states based on cotton. These are the questions. Now we'll learn about the next fiber crop, jute. The most important fiber crop in India is jute, obtained from the inner bark of two important species. One is Corchorus capsularis or white jute, and that is hardy, highly adaptable, and grows well on both lowlands and uplands. First one is given here, Corchorus capsularis or white jute. It is cultivated both in the lowlands and also highlands. Second one is Corchorus oletorius or Tosa jute, which is known as golden yellow jute and grown in the upland areas. One is white jute, another one is golden yellow jute. White jute cultivated both in the lowland areas and uplands area, but golden yellow jute is cultivated only in the uplands area. Uses: jute is used for manufacturing rough quality cloth and given a sacks and other packing material. It is now used in the making of many utility products like carpets, rugs, twine, upholstery, tarpaulins, etc. Jute is also referred to as golden fiber. Question is there, why jute is known as golden fiber? Because of it provides huge revenue to the government, or because of its more economical value, it is known as what? Golden fiber. Then mesta. It is the inferior substitutes for jute which can be withstand drought condition, and bags for rough use are made from mesta. The low quality jute is known as what? Mesta. It is useful for the manufacture of quality of product. Are you clear? Next, we'll learn about climatic condition for the jute. It requires hot and humid climate with temperature between 24 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, relative humidity of 90%, and rainfall more than 150 centimeters. These are the climatic conditions. Temperature 24 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius, rainfall amount 150 cm, and humidity 90%. Soil. Jute grows best on the soil enriched by the new alluvium soil brought by the river inundation. So alluvium soil is suitable for the jute cultivation. Methods of cultivation. Sowing of seeds is done by drilling and broadcasting method. Same, just like cotton. The fields for growing jute have to be thoroughly prepared before the crop is sown in the February month or on lowlands, and March to June month in the upland area. According to the area wise, lowland area it is sown in February month and upland area it is sown with the March to June month. The crop is harvested from July to September, about 8 to 10 months after the sowing. After 8 to 10 months after sowing, harvesting period July to September month. Now we'll discuss about the processing. Rating. It is a microbiological process which separate the fiber from the stalk. The first process is known as rating. After rating, rinsing, washing, cleaning, drying in the sun, these are the other processes. It is then graded and made into bundles which are passed through the bales or pressed into the bales. What do you mean by what is the weight of the bale? 180 kg in the jute case. Cotton case, one bale equal to 218 kg, but in the jute case, one bale is how much kg? 180 kg. Here given it is then graded and made into bundle which are pressed into bale. The weight how much? 180 kg each. Then distribution. Ganga, Brahmaputra Valley and also deltas in West Bengal are highly cultivated. Jute is highly cultivated in these two areas. It is also grown in the deltas of the river Mahanadi and river Godavari. Map shows these are the areas where we will find out the jute cultivation in an extensive manner. Now we will learn about the one point, that is in West Bengal is best suited to growing of jute because of the delta region is rich in alluvium. It is hot all the year round with heavy rainfall, flat land, and there is a plenty of fresh soft water for rating. One question based in it: why West Bengal is suitable for the jute cultivation? Answer: because presence of rich alluvium soil, hot climate throughout the year, heavy rainfall, flat land, soft soil for the rating, suitable for the jute cultivation in West Bengal. Other states are in Assam, along the Brahmaputra and Surma Valley, Bihar, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, etc. Now we'll learn about the problems of jute cultivators. Steep competition is offered in international markets by Bangladesh as also by synthetic fiber such as nylon. What are the problem? The jute plant is facing steep competition with the synthetic product. And second point, in 1947 when the Bengal was divided into West Bengal means India and East Bengal, earlier in Pakistan, now in Bangladesh, most of the jute mills remain in our territory India, while the jute fields or jute cultivated areas are allotted to the Bangladesh or the East Pakistan. This was a major setback or problem to the jute industries in India. What are the two main problems? First one, steep competition with the synthetic fiber, and second one, most of the jute cultivated areas are present in the Bangladesh and jute mills are present in India. So India is not getting the sufficient amount of the raw jute. That is the second problem. Please you well prepare both the jute and cotton, both the fiber or cash crop, and take care of your health. Thank you and have a good day.